Hi guys, my name is Rohan Vasudev. In this session, we are going to see what is void start and void update. Let's see what is this void first. Void is the return type. So in this case, the start function here created, it's not returning anything. So start function is basically called once the frame of the scene is created. One frame is just one still image. All these images together in rapid succession will create a motion for the game. Start is called once the first frame of the game is created. It is only executed if the script is enabled. So if the script is not enabled, if it is disabled, then the start function won't get executed at all. It is also called once in life cycle of the C# script. So there is a life cycle for Unity script. So start function will be called only once in the life cycle. What is start function used for? Start function is used for initializing objects properties or variable. So any variable you want to initialize or any object property you want to initialize, you can always initialize inside the start functions. Let's talk about update function here. So again, we have void here, which is a return type for the update function. So this update function is not going to return anything. Update function is called only after the start function has executed. Update function runs every frame of the game or the scene. Okay, so it will be called every frame. Execution of the update function depends on the frame rate of the game. Frame rate simply means that how many frames are generally created or called every 60 seconds or so. Generally what happens here is the higher the frame rate of the game, the time interval between the update function will be low. Update function, the calling of an update function to completely depends on the frame rate of your game. That's it guys. Thank you for the session. I will see you in the next session.